Recitation molarity number 7. The concentration of vitamin C absolute acid is in orange juice was measured to be 0.00083 mol by liter. When orange juice is made from concentrate, the volume of concentrate is 12 fluid ounces. The diluted orange juice is 64 fluid ounces. What is the concentration of vitamin C in concentrate? First of all, I'm going to try to have my molar mass of the C6H8O6. When I did all my work, I want to end up with 176.126. And then here on the assignment, we have the concentration of orange juice equal to 0.00083 mol by liter of C6H8O6, which is equal to the first mass. And the second mass, we don't have it. The volume V1 is 64 and the second volume V2 is 12. Now we can do the operation. We know that mass 1 times volume 1 equal to mass 2 times volume 2. Just plug everything in. Since we don't have M2, we're going to plug all the things to determine M2. My work is a little bit thick, but I don't know if you can see. This is that's the reason why I wrote here with a red pen. This is the answer that I got from the second mass. I'm going to end up with 0.00443 of C6H8O6. Now this B. How many grams of vitamin C are in 12 fluid ounces of the orange juice? 1 fluid ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliter. Here we have on the previous on A that in the previous title up there, M2 was equal to 0.00083 mol by liter and V2 was 12 ounces. Here we want to determine how many gram. To have gram here, I'm going to convert first of all my volume to, which is the ounces to milliliter. I want to end up with 354.85 milliliter because 1 ounce is equal to 29.57 milliliter. I just round them, so I end up with 354.85 milliliter. Then I'm going to determine the number of mole to convert to my first mass to the mole. I'm going to do multiply my number of the volume times the volume divided by the mole and end up with 0.000295 mole of C6H8NO6. And then I'm going to determine my graph of vitamin C. To convert my gram, to determine my gram of vitamin C, I'm going to convert this mole to gram. And at the beginning, we determined our molar mass, which was 176.124 gram. To convert mole to gram, I'm going to multiply my molar mass by 0.000295 divided by mole and end up with 0.0520 gram of C6H6 and O6. And C, if you drink 12 ounces of orange juice, will you be getting the recommended daily dose of vitamin C? Recommended daily dose is 75 milligram of adult females, and 90 milligram of 90 milligram for adult male. And then we have mass of vitamin C present in 12 ounces, which is 354.85 milliliter. It's equal to 0.0520 gram. When we convert to milligram, we end up with 52. Since the mass of vitamin C is less, we have FEMAT 72 is less than 52 is less than 75, and it's also less than 90. Since the mass of vitamin C is less than the required daily dose for either male or female, 20 ounces is not recommended. I hope it helped.